I am Praveen Raju, math teacher. Today topic is completing square root method. Already the before class discussed about the completing square root method. The depending on roots formula minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. Already and fruit. But equation there say how to. The roots there are three types of method. What is a minus b plus or minus b square minus formula by 2a formula. Next one is splitting method. This is the third method. Don't use the formulas. Don't use the completing square root. Also square root formula. This is a different method. Let write the equation. Let equation 2x square plus x minus 4 is equal to 0. Write the is a quadratic equation means write the quadratic form. Ax square plus bx plus c. Write the coefficient values. A is equal to 2, b is equal to 1, c is equal to minus 4. First, this method first step is constant value transfer the left to right. Transfer the constant value. That means 2x square plus x is equal to plus 4. Okay. Next value is the master should be followed by the starting value only x square. Remaining any value will be eliminated. What the extra value is 2. The 2 will be used by total equations. 2x square by 2 plus x by 2 is equal to 4 by 2. 2 will be cancelled and 2 2s are and x square plus x by 2 is equal to 2. And therefore both sides adding on formula 1 by 2 b by a whole square. Right. What is the 1 by 2 is right. What is the b value is 1 and a value is 2 by 2 whole square. Right. 1 by 4. 1 1s are 1, 2 2s are 4. 1 by 4 whole square. Adding on both sides, left and right. Right, x square plus x by 2 plus 1 by 4 whole square is equal to 2 plus 1 by 4 whole square. What is the formula? Clearly write in a plus b whole square. What is the a plus b whole square formula? A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. This is the formula. One check. What is the a value is x. What is the b value? 1 by 4 whole square. A square means x square. This is 2ab. 2 into a value is x and b value is 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 whole square. 2 times will be cancelled. Let write x plus x by 2 plus 1 by 4 x square whole square. They clearly write this formula, yes or no? This one is the same form. Let me write x plus 1 by 4. X plus 1 by 4 whole square is equal to 2 plus 1 by 16. 1 1s are 1, 4 4s are 16. Okay, this will be continue. X plus 1 by 4 whole square is equal to 2 into 16 plus 1 by 16. That means x plus 1 by 4 whole square is equal to 32 plus 1 by 16 and x plus 1 by 4 whole square is equal to 33 by 16. Square root transfer this side. X plus 1 by 4 whole root 33 by 16. 4 also transfer this side. X is equal to root 33 by square root cancel by 4 only minus 1 by 4. This 4 LCM x is equal to root 33 minus 1 by 4. Hence fruit. Thank you.